Hey guys, we're back with our DCO 17. See it? It's a DCO 17. It says DCO 17. Can't really see it, but it's a Dyson. You can see all that stuff. It's a lot of stuff if it was bright. Hold on. Set that there for a second. I'm gonna get on the couch and do something. Well, that don't work. So I'm gonna have to swipe out from here. Let me bring this lamp right over here. It can only go that far. Alright. There it is. Scoop more. You can see all that now. Much dirt. Now you can see how it is. DC 17. It's lighter. The bin's empty. It's a Dyson. Let me take the dirt cup off and show you. Really? Dyson. Pretty loud. You can hear it for a second. Well, I don't really like it how it sounds. Well, I'm going to sweep all this up with the Dyson. And when I sweep all that with the Dyson, let me somewhere. Let me get my cameraman. Get my cameraman. Let me pull it out. How do we do this? Oh, my camera man did fall. My cameraman got dirty. That's my old cameraman. I'm gonna set it right here then. Hold on. Camera, old man. The old cameraman. So all I'm gonna do is do this. Right? Hold on, let me scoot it that way. Can't see the. Oh, here we go. How do we do this? Hold on. I think I found a good way. Right here's a good way. Gotta clean that dirt up. I'm crawling over there to get. So I'm just gonna say right here. Is it great? I'm pretty sure it is. I'm gonna watch the video when I'm done. a big idea that I don't know if I'm understanding here. This is a Dyson, you know. Also, it does have cyclones. There was a couple Dystons before, so that went to the cyclone. Also, there was some right there, pieces right there, pieces right there, pieces right there, still right there. Some pieces that blow back, the pieces. So I'm gonna have to get my shark out, or my rainbow vacuum out. My rainbow's for dust, actually. Yeah, I should have said it right here, because it was a piece of the dust, and I smelled the dust, so I should have brought my rainbow right there, but it's not right there. So I'm just gonna pause this video, and come back. So I'm just gonna then let me pause the video first. Okay. Actually, I do. Sorry, I've been thinking about something. When I was sweeping all that stuff up, oh, sorry, I'm gonna go get my Shark rotator.
Get into the kitchen and check on my cheese delight, shall I? Me, Joseph, you're on a roll.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, I brought you these.
Broccoli bouquet. You remembered our vegetable. Come on in. I'd like to meet my best friend, Joe.
Actually, my Shark rotator is here.
Denise.
I never thought I'd see you again.
It's cool in here.
Have you two met?
Well, we were sort of involved a while back.
Guys,
You're that Denise?
there's also bags and black bags and trash, and it's a full, like, to the top, like, it's this full.
College history now. Important thing is that my wonderful brother-in-law.
Not full all the way. There's so many bags, I'm not going to show you. I got to climb up it. The Shark rotators are up there. Rotator out. Get that in there. Now let's do it. Shark rotator. So guys, that piece, I don't know how to put it on again. Take that part off. Then how we put this on? There. Go him! I don't need this part. It's trash anyways. That was really funny. That blew that thing out. To death. Goes that way. It was upside down. It's gotta be. Ooh, it's the wrong way. It still won't go in. So I'm just gonna pause. Unpause. Now, then move that camera over here. Got it in. I got it in. Let's see if it does. Funny, right, guys? That was funny when I put the vacuum and it said about the loose suction. Well, there's gunk in there, tons of it. Well, just gonna keep this working out. Oh, I'm not gonna box the Dyson. I'm gonna box a Hoover, then a Dyson, then a Hoover, then more Dysons. So, bye. See you later.